Such a beautiful dog. Well, new at noon, the city of Baldwyn is hosting a mental health and wellness fair on Saturday. And joining us live to tell us all about it is Mayor Roslynn Clark. How are you, Madam Mayor?
I am very well. How are you, Miss Tanya?
I am doing okay. Now, I know this is a project you have been working on since the last year. How excited are you that it's happening tomorrow?
We are very excited. We know it's time for us to have a conversation with our families related to all of the issues that we have with addiction, and if we don't sit down and have a conversation soon, then things are going to get worse. So this weekend we're going to have that conversation.
Okay, now tell us all about the event. Where is it going to be held and what time does it start?
It will be held at the high school auditorium in Baldwyn. It begins at 10, though the vendors will be there around 9 setting up. Actually, they'll set up at 8, and then you can socialize with them around 9. It will also be a mini health fair, so there will be some companies there set up also that we can talk to, or ones can talk to regarding jobs.
Oh, okay. Now, when it comes to mental health, what kind of vendors are going to be there to discuss that?
Well, you know, our problem is greatly related to opiate addiction, so we're going to have biblically based organizations there that help with recovery. We'll also have people like Oceans there, those types of facilities to help people deal with addiction, to teach us how to deal with it as family members. Sometimes we don't realize that this is a problem, and it's either us, ourselves, our cousins, or our sisters that have the addiction, or our brothers, and we don't even realize it because we don't understand how to recognize it and how to appropriately deal with our family members.
Now, when it comes to the fair tomorrow, I noticed you posted on social media there's going to be like a little mini job fair. So
yes.
Who's coming out?
Well, APMM is coming. Also, MDOT is coming. I work with Leslie, and she works a lot with beautification of the city of, I should say, Mississippi. So she's going to bring HR, and also she's going to do some things to teach us about making Mississippi beautiful. We know that mental health is greatly dependent upon our abilities to live and thrive appropriately. So a job fair is very important. I might feel better if I have a job. My mental health is going to be very low if I'm not able to work and provide for my family. So having a job is very important.
All right, so now this is all starting tomorrow at 10 a.m. at the auditorium in Baldwyn.
Yes, Baldwyn High School Auditorium. It will start at 10. The first speaker will be Sheriff Randy Toller. And also we'll have a video talking about how addiction happens and how to take care of addiction. So we'll be starting at 10. Look forward to everyone coming out. If there's vendors or anyone else that are wanting to come, feel free to show up, bring a table.
Okay. All right, then. Thank you so much there, Madam Mayor. We'll be right back.